Hello everyone, myself Akshay from K School Saudati, going to represent you the topic of grade 10, that is nothing but pair of linear equation in two variables. In pair of linear equations in two variables, we come across the components that is nothing but a basic concept, that is nothing but what is an equation. An equation is nothing but, in simple terms, we can call it as equality between two expressions here. For example, we come across equalities such as you have studied in your grade 7th and 8th, that is nothing but with a common example, x plus y is equal to 6. This is a simple equation which is containing a variable x and y. This is a variable where the power of the variable is 1. If the power of the variable is 1, it is called as it is in a linear form. If we come across the same component here, equations are nothing but where there is equality symbol, where there is equal to sign, these type of expressions and numerical terms including variables, they are written in the form of equation. Now variables are nothing but, in common terms we can tell it as alphabetical values, where here you can see x and y are nothing but alphabetical values. Now when we come across pair of linear equations, linear equation is nothing but a pair. For example, if you take x and y, these are two different variables written which is equal to a term, that is nothing but 6. When two variables are written in a form of equation, it is called as a pair of linear equation in two variables. When we come across these terms, we need to find the value of x and y. Now, finding the value of an equation can be done by two different methods. One is graphical method and one is algebraic method. Now I am going to explain you about algebraic methods. In algebraic method, we are going to study three different methods, but we are going to focus on two different methods, that is nothing but substitution and elimination method. First, we will come across substitution method. I will take a two variable here. For example, x plus y is equal to 8, and the second variable is nothing but x minus y is equal to 5. These are the two equations which I am going to take now. Substitution is nothing but the equations which are in pairs. For example, the general form is given as a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. It is a equation which is nothing but a linear equation. a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. These are the two pairs which are nothing but a general form of pair of linear equations. Now, when I am going to solve this sum, I am going to name this equation as equation number 1 and equation number 2. First, taking the first equation here, x plus y is equal to 8. I am going to find the value of x, or it may be the value of y. Let us find the value of x as, after transposing I will get 8 minus y. The value of x, I have got it as 8 minus y. When I have got x value as 8 minus y, we have to substitute, as it is a substitution method, substitute x is equal to 8 minus y in equation 2. In equation 2 I am going to substitute so that I can find the value. Let us substitute now. The second equation is x minus y is equal to 8. X minus y is equal to 5. The second equation is x minus y is equal to 5. As I have got the value as x is equal to 8 minus y, I am going to put this value in this equation number 2. Now x is what here? 8 minus y. X value I have substituted here. Minus y I write as it is, which is equal to 5. Now 8 minus y 1y. Minus 1y is nothing but minus 2y, which is equal to 5. Now transpose 5 to LHS so that it will be 8 minus 5, which is equal to, after minus 2y you transpose it to RHS, that is nothing but 2y. 8 minus 5 is nothing but 3, which is equal to 2y, then y is equal to 3 by 2. Now when you have got one value, we can put this y is equal to 3 by 2 in equation 1 or equation number 2, or this given equation x is equal to 8 minus y. Now I will put y is equal to 3 by 2 in equation number 3 so that it will be easy for me to solve it. X is equal to 8 minus y. 8 minus 3 by 2 divided by 1. We have to take LCM here, multiply it by 2 here. Here nothing is there, so multiply it by 1. 8 2s are 16 minus 3 by 2. That is nothing but 13 by 2. We got x value as 13 by 2 and y value as 3 by 2. When we substitute these two values in the LHS part, we are going to get the value as 8. That tells if LHS satisfies the value of RHS, we can tell the values what we have found is nothing but correct. For example, 13 by 2 and 3 by 2. Denominators are same. 13 plus 3 is nothing but 16. 16 by 2, if I cancel, I am going to get 8 as the answer of LHS, which is also equal to RHS. Now we are going to study a different method of algebraic method to find the pair of linear equations in two variables, that is nothing but the value of x and y. Now when you are finding the value of x and y, there is a different method that is called as elimination method. Elimination, as the name itself tells you, eliminating the terms. Now let us eliminate with the help of the common thing which we do, that is nothing but subtracting or adding. Now as many of you are familiar with adding and subtracting, when there is addition, there is no change of signs. When there is addition, there is no change of signs. When there is subtraction, there is change of signs. How you feel convenient, you can solve it. Now, taking these two equations, you can subtract and also find the value, or you can add and also find the value. Let us, when there is different signs of y variables, let us add them. If you feel inconvenient, let us subtract them. For example, subtract 1 and 2. Now first equation is x plus y is equal to 8 and the second one is x minus y is equal to 5. Now as we have to subtract it, when there is subtraction, as I have told you, there will be change of signs. When there is change of signs, here nothing is there, means a plus operation is going on, so we have to subtract minus sign. If there is minus sign, it will become plus, and this plus symbol will become minus. X minus x eliminates, and that becomes the value 0. Plus y, nothing is there, means 1 here, plus 1y is nothing but plus 2y. 8 minus 3 is nothing, 8 minus 5 is nothing but the value 3, that can be written as 3 here. Plus 3 because 8 is the bigger number. So y is equal to 3 by 2. Now as we have got y is equal to 3 by 2, it is a very short method compared to substitution method, and it is an easy method also. Put y is equal to 3 by 2 in equation Any one, equation 1 or equation number 2. Let us put in equation number 1. Now, x plus y is equal to 8 is equation number 1. X plus 3 by 2 is equal to 8. X is equal to 8 minus 3 by 2. Denominator into 2 here by taking LCM. 8 2s are 16 minus 3 by 2, that is nothing but 16 minus 3 is nothing but 13 by 2. Check it out. Y is equal to 3 by 2. X plus y is equal to 8 we have taken. X plus 3 by 2 is equal to 8. X is equal to 8 minus 3 by 2. 8 taking LCM here. 8 2s are 16 minus 3 by 2, that is nothing but 16 minus 3 is nothing but 13 by 2. This is nothing but elimination method to find the values. With the help of Tata classes, we are going to analyze this concept. Now, you can go on with the view here. There are two equations given. 2x minus y is equal to 3 minus x plus 1 by 2y is equal to 5. Now, converting step by step using the elimination method to solve here. Equalizing the coefficients of y in both the equations. Let us see here. Let's multiply the equation 2 by 2. Why means? Because equation 2 variable x is not having any constant here. So I have to multiply. First equation will be as it is. Second equation should be multiplied by 2. Or we can take the LCM here. We will get the simple form. There is nothing but the second form of the equation is nothing but 2x minus y is equal to 3 and 2x minus 2x plus y is equal to 10. So from this we are eliminating y because there are different signs. So they are adding them. First equation and second equation all together. LHS they have taken, RHS separately they have added. Solving, they have found, they have taken here and y will get cancelled, x will get cancelled. Okay, and there is a constant. If there is nothing remaining there, it does not have any solution. If x and y cancels, then it is having no solution. There are different concepts which are being analyzed. Now, using the same method, they have solved a different variable. Same elimination method is one of the important concepts here. With the help of that, we can analyze it in a proper way. Here, the ways of substitution and elimination method tells us how easily we can find the value of x and y. Thank you.